gosh, this is so awesome. I got our camp things and we're ready to go.
Yeah, we should probably get heading back to the campsite.
Okay. Watch out for that tree stump. Ah! You okay? And your shoe fell off. Wow.
Leg.
Are you okay? Oh, dang it. Here. I think I have an emergency cast. I'll go get it. There we go. Are you okay?
No.
Put this on. I'll make you feel better. If you need me, I have to put this back to its campsite. Die. I think it's a nice campsite. Plus, my brand new earrings are really sparkly.
You forgot crutches.
Crutches? Who needs crutches? You can use sleeping bags to sleep on. Crutches are the worst. Good. You know, why is there an empty cast over there? If you see it, I don't know why it's over there. So I guess we're good. Why is your eye open? That's creeping me out. It's creeping me out. Plus, there's a whole world. I'm gonna go explore. Oh my gosh. So nice exploring. A tree. Maybe I can look in it. I like this. Maybe I can pick it. Ow, my arm! Somebody get me the cast! Somebody get me a cast! My arm is burning! Burning, I tell you, burning! There. Okay, I guess I'll put it on. Let's back this up. Okay. Oh my gosh, you are serious. There we go. I guess I'm good. I just tried to get you a lemon. Okay, a beautiful lemon just for my buddy, but I couldn't get it because that stupid fall. I mean, look at the lemon. It's gorgeous. This lemon was made for you. This lemon.
Ew, it's green. Let's go home.
Aren't they supposed to be green or yellow?
Yellow. Let's go home.
Home? Who needs home? We have to go to the campsite. I guess we have to go home. Peace.